Hey YouTube, it's Extensive Tactical back here again with another EDC video, guys, video for you guys. So, this is gonna be another video as well as an EDC video. I'm gonna go over my plate carrier. Okay, I've been getting it set up this week. Don't have it all the way set up yet. It's a work in progress still, but we're gonna go over it a little bit. Go over the two things I have on it, or three things I mean, and why. Alright, and as you guys can see, I'm wearing a different jacket than usual. Got some new 511 pants and stuff. I've had them for a while. Ordered them in the mail. They didn't come to me when I was on base, so now that I'm home, I'm packing them, taking them back to base with me, and that's it. Got the same hat as always. Welded American flag, you know. Same watch. Dog tags, of course, so let's go ahead and get into it. Alright, so first up for my EDC is the Tops MSK knife 2.5. Alright, micarta handles, neck knife. Alright, so and that's around my neck with the lanyard. I tied these little knots in them. Alright, on my right hand side, got my Buck 110. Alright, always good to have. And then with that, on the sheath as well, I've got a ferro rod. Alright, and then in my right pocket, got my knife I carry every single day. In my right front pocket, got my lighter that I wrapped. Alright. And I've also got my knife sharpener with a ferro rod on it. Here's the ferro rod that goes to the knife sharpener. Goes right in there. Alright. Just like that. Surefire flashlight. Gerber center drive. And with that, I've got bits for the screwdriver. Like I said, dog tags, watch, of course. Wallet. In my jacket pocket on the right side, I keep my keys. On my keys, I have a paracord lanyard, I have a ferro rod striker, I have a tinder carrier, I have a whistle, and I have a ferro rod, right? So, those are always fun to carry, always good to have, never know when you're going to need them. And of course, my key to my car. Yes, I said car. Alright, now to my plate carrier we go. It is a One Tigris plate carrier. On this side I've got my medical kit, and as you can see, 14er Tactical. This is the one y'all have seen in my videos multiple times. Clips, y'all already know what's in it if you've been watching long enough. I'm not going to break that down. Up here, I got a tourniquet. Alright, so I keep that up top of my vest. Yeah, y'all see that. And then over here is my MSRK, or my SRK, I mean, from Cold Steel. SK5 steel, SRK knife. I do have a leather loop on it. That's fine. So that's my plate carrier setup for right now. I'm getting more MOLLE to go on here. More patches will be on there, and then more MOLLE through here. It's got built-on AR patches, or pouches, I mean, not patches, pouches that go on it. Alright, and then I've also got the other piece for the knife. I'm going to do some work on this, make it to where I can carry the knife horizontal before I put it back on. And then I'll be putting it back on after I do some work to this to get it to where I can carry it like that. But that's my EDC. I'm still wearing the Suunto, as you guys know. Oh, yeah. Hold on. My jewel. Also carry that. Alright. I'm getting my Glock 19 Friday, so I'll start having that on me as well. One of the other knives I carry a lot is the 5-in-1 EDC. It's got a little light on it, ferro rod right there, and seatbelt cutter and a glass punch. It's a good knife. It's sharp right when you take it out of the box. And then this one will probably also get put on my vest, and this is the K-Bar Bullpup. I'm most likely going to throw this either on my vest or inside the vest, and then have a little folder, right? And then I will have an extra multi-tool for my vest as well. It'll be a Leatherman though, not a Gerber. I like my Gerbers too much to put them on there. I'll throw a Leatherman on there, and then if something happens to it, it will. That is my EDC that I carry on my person. I've got my bag on the stairs. We'll go over that probably tomorrow or in a few days. We'll go over the bag and go over everything that's in the bag. Why I have what I have on the bag, and stuff like that. So, quick look at my EDC. I mean, this book isn't a part of it. Neither is that carabiner. That's my entire EDC. Alright. And then also the keys. So that's my entire EDC. I hope you guys enjoyed. Stay safe, stay blessed, stay prepared. God bless.